In this video, we are going to explain the common features that emerge during any succession. Well, we agreed that succession is the process by which an ecosystem changes over time, where the biotic conditions change as the abiotic conditions change. And during any succession, there is a number of common features that emerge. First, the non-living or the abiotic environment becomes less hostile. For example, soil forms, which helps retain water. Nutrients are more plentiful, and plants provide shelter from the wind. This will lead to a greater number and variety of habitats and niches that in return produce several consequences. First, we will have an increased biodiversity. This is because different species occupy this habitat, and this is especially evident in the early stages, reaching a peak in the mid-succession, but decreasing as the climax community is reached. And this decrease is due to dominant species outcompeting pioneer and other species, leading to their elimination from the community. And because we have increased biodiversity, this will lead to a more complex food web that will lead to increased biomass. And this is especially during the mid-succession.